Hello, my name is Frank and I created Myownnetworth, a simple app designed for the middle class. If you live paycheck to paycheck, this app is for you. Thank you to everyone who signed up for the app already. This will make our Pay Your Bill program get started sooner. Many people have asked me, so what's the difference between Myownnetworth and YNAB? Let's take a look. All right, let's look at company history. YNAB was invented by Jesse Meacham while he was in college. Myownnetworth was founded by me, an entrepreneur wanting to help the middle class better manage their finances. Okay, let's look at pricing. YNAB costs $109 a year. Myownnetworth is $149.99 a year and includes the Pay Your Bill program. Okay, let's look at security. YNAB allows you to connect to financial institutions with direct import feature. As we know, when you connect to other sites, you increase your chances of your data being stolen. And as we know, there's a lot of money in selling data. At Myownnetworth, we tell everyone to create a separate email and get silly, be bubblegum@blankblank.com. We don't need to know who you are. If you want to participate in the Pay Your Bill program, we'll need your email address. But if you don't want to participate, don't. Myownnetworth is a great app for kids. When I saw a video that I linked actually below, that you can see how if a child starts with a little bit of money in the beginning of right when they're born, by the time they're 65, they're going to be a millionaire. I'm in my middle 60s now, and boy, did I wish I had something like that. So let's make it possible for our kids and grandkids, with the help of parents as well as the grandparents, to work on Myownnetworth together, teach them finance, and let them learn investing and have a secure financial future. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the Pay Your Bill program. When I started this app, I said beyond educating the customers on their financial decisions, I'd like to help pay their bills as well. So after we pay off the initial debt, I'm going to need about 2,000 people to sign, so as we're getting closer and closer. Once we do that, we're going to start sharing in the profits. And what we'll do is that you can send us your email and we can contact you if we select your name. If you don't want to participate, don't. It's whatever you want to do. But our goal is to help not only have you pay for an app, but see if we can help pay your bills to help make your money grow. Thank you. In conclusion, both are great apps. YNAB helps users categorize their dollars, track spending, and save for future goals. Myownnetworth is designed for people who want to work on having enough money to retire, excellent for the youth to learn about money, want to keep your money private, participate in the Pay Your Bill program, and create financial scenarios to help decide your spending. Both are great apps. Based upon what your goals are, decides what app is best for you. Myownnetworth is an educational app only. Please contact a financial advisor, a family member, or somebody that you trust with your money to make sure your decisions that you make best fit your needs. Thank you.